Stanley enjoying a belly rub. Turn it this way. Hi, Stanley. Hi, Stanley. Hi, crazy boy. Hi, crazy boy. Happy boy. He's the happiest. Let me see that face. Stanley's 5 months old. Stanley, look at Mama. Look at Mommy. Hi, crazy.
Hey.
Hi, little monster. He's our little monster. Rub me some more, Daddy.
Don't cut Daddy with your...
You look like you're upside down. I'm not, Mommy. Stanley, look at Mama. Look at Mommy. I don't want to. Hi. All right, that's enough. That's our crazy little monster. Stanley.